Hey guys, it's Street and Trail here.
No, that's an intro, not an outro.
Oh.
We're doing an outro because we're done. Hey guys, what's going on? Street Trail here. Today we're in the old 84 Camaro. We got some insulation that likes to fall from my ceiling, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that out. Come on in. So this, I don't know if you can see that, but it like falls down every time I touch it. So what I'm gonna do, I think I'm just gonna take it out and either keep it bare metal or I might even paint it like flat black or something. So I got the insulation off there. And I'm not really sure what I want to do with it. It looks pretty clean, so like I could leave it like that, but like it kind of looks unfinished. But I don't know, I kind of like the unfinished look, so contrary to my ceiling, it'll make it look more finished. I guess I'll probably kind of explore my options for the ceiling, but widen up too much up there, so you're gonna have to get some bigger stuff, I guess, for that. But looks better. Looks better there. So I don't really know what I want to do yet, but whatever it is, it's better than that insulation stuff falling on your head. This is where I probably go on Google and look up some ideas. I'm just gonna cover up some of the wires because it looks like a freaking rat's nest. So I'm gonna see if I can move some around and stuff. But be sure to always use proper tools when working in the engine bay for safety reasons. Max, take you and your hoe and get out of here. That's not a hoe, is it? I don't know. Rake. What? It's a rake. Raking? I know what those are. Those are the skunk looking creatures. Threw the old Z28 badge back on from painting and I had it off. I think I'm gonna try to pick up like a sticker decal so you can like see the lettering better or something maybe. License and registration. Look at my sexy co-host.
Thanks.
Yeah, you're right. She thought I meant her. Max, what do you got to say?
Subscribe to Street Trail!
Okay. Y'all heard it. Word.